Hello! I have rewritten the code for my open source Mega Man Maker NSF Music Changer tool, which allows to play a song of your choosing on any level and also to manage your custom songs. If you like coding, feel free to look around the code, which is freely available on my GitLab page. Let me know if there is something you would like me to add to the app. For now, here's a guide on how to use it. First, downloading the app. Just go to the link in the description, download and extract somewhere safe. Upon running the app, you will see this interface. Now just choose the song you want to play and choose the game's folder location. Here, select the main folder, not the game's music folder. While playing the game, I can play the song that I selected by pressing the play song button. Note that you can play that song everywhere in the game, or just any boss music or just any level music. Now restart the level, or fall in a pit, to hear your selected song. Which, by the way, did I mention, it can be a song of any of these formats? Yes, you can play a song from a Sonic game using this. To restore the original music, just press Restore Music, keeping in mind the selection down here, so you can restore only the boss songs, for example. You can also press the Mute All button to mute every song in the game while playing without having to go to the main menu to adjust the volumes. This is useful for playing custom music outside of the game, like streaming music. The app also allows you to replace specific songs in the game with your custom files, allowing for an easy recovery of the original files. Just select a file name in the list, click Replace Song or Restore Song. Now you can finally change that repetitive song on that level you're playing. It just seems like a different level now. That's all the program does for now, but again, if you have any ideas on what I can add to it, feel free to let me know in the comments or in the GitLab page. I will see you around.